So today we are going to talk about the soul of a Fiverr gig. A compelling gig description on Fiverr is one that effectively communicates the value and benefits of your services to potential buyers. Here are some elements that you can include in your gig description to make it more compelling. A clear and attention-grabbing statement. Make a statement that clearly and concisely communicates what you're offering and makes buyer want to learn more. A detailed description of your services. Use simple and easy to understand language to describe what you're offering, including the specific skill and experience you bring to the table. A list of the benefits of your services. Clearly explain how your services will benefit buyers and what specific outcomes they can expect from working with you. Use keywords that describe your services in your gig title, tags, and description to make it easier for buyers to find your gig. Be honest about your skills and experience and be transparent about any limitations or requirements of your service. A clear call to action. Encourage potential buyers to place an order by including a clear call to action such as order now and get started today. Include FAQs. If you think that there may be some questions that buyers may have, include FAQ section and answer them. By including these elements in your gig description, you can create a compelling and persuasive sales pitch that will help you to attract more buyers and increase your chances of getting hired on Fiverr. For more valuable videos about Fiverr and freelancing, must subscribe my channel and like this video. I will be coming with more beneficial content.